Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear RAM on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you notice that your iPhone is working slow rather than regular, then if you want to clear your memory or RAM on your iPhone, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to setting, and here you have to go to general. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. Now what you have to do, the first thing you have to check is whether your memory is available or not, which means if you have enough memory so that you can simply perform all other tasks on the iPhone. But if you have not enough memory, then you have to make sure that you clear your memory first, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply clear all the apps running on your iPhone. Now if you have iPhone X or later, then you can simply press and hold volume up and down button, and after that at the same time you have to press power button, and you have to turn off the move the slider to the right so that your device can restart. And after restart, your iPhone will be refreshed, and your RAM will be cleared from any kind of loading. So if you want to clear your RAM, that is the option available. But if you want to refresh all the thing, then you can simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general again, and here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of these settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Moreover, you can also reset your iPhone so that it can work properly. But before this, you have to make sure that you have create a backup of your iPhone on any or other device. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.